Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Many students often complain, sir, how can we practice IELTS speaking on our own? Then many IELTS candidates, they say, sir, we find it hard to practice. We need a speaking partner, and it's hard to find a speaking partner as hard as finding a life partner. So what to do? Well, guys, let me tell you, you don't need speaking partner, and you don't need anyone. If no one is available, no problem at all. Still, you can practice your IELTS speaking. I'll just tell you how to do that. First of all, as far as speaking part 1 is concerned, there are almost 200 topics, and your speaking part 1 will come from these topics. Topics like hometown, shopping, food, education, music, and all that. So there is a list of 200 topics. You can just go through them. Now, how to practice? The mobile devices, they have recorders, sound recorder. So all you need to do, you need to actually record your voice. How to do that? Simple. Just record the questions in your mobile device. Okay. Now, for example, if I want to record the questions, that's very, very simple. I can easily record the questions. And when you record the questions only, you need to take a pause. For example, what's your favorite color? How often do you use this color? What type of colors did you like when you were a child? Okay, so like this, you need to actually record your voice, and you need to record your cue cards. Once you recorded your speaking part 1, now you can play this audio. Okay, once you're going to play the audio, what will happen? When you play the audio, pause it. As there is question number 1, you need to listen to question number 1, and then you've got to pause it. Okay, then question number 2, listen and pause, and then you have to answer. For example, you play, what's your favorite color? Pause. My favorite color is red, and I've always liked this color since my childhood. I still remember when I was small, I used to have many red t-shirts. So to answer your question, my favorite color is red. Then again, play. How often do you use this color? Well, most of the time I use this color whenever I wear any t-shirt. On the other hand, I like this color so much that very recently I've got my room painted in red color, and I've got a couple of red handbags. So to answer your question, I use this color in whatever I use in my daily routine, or I use this color, or I prefer to use this color for anything that I have to use on daily basis. Like this, you can practice and you can answer. So record the questions with the gap, okay, and then play question number 1, answer, play question number 2, answer, and this is the best way to practice. Now let's talk about cue cards. For cue cards, you need a timer. Timer for preparing the cue card. Now put the cue card in front of you, pen and paper, 1 minute timer, and then you can read the topic, write down some notes. Okay, again, read the topic, make an outline, read the topic, make an outline, and when 1 minute time is over, stop writing. I've noticed one thing. Many students, they prepare cue cards in 10 to 15 minutes. They write everything and then they read, and then they are so happy that we are actually practicing our cue cards. Not like this. Just 1 minute time you should have, and after 1 minute, now you should have recorder on your mobile device. Press the recording button, put it here, because in actual exam as well, there will be a recorder, and then just take a look at the cue card, at the notes, hold the pen and record your cue card. Today, I would like to talk about a movie I once watched, and I would like to watch it again, and I've just seen this movie 5-6 times. The movie is, and then go on, look at your points. Look at the cue card, because in speaking part 2, I have noticed sometimes after 15 to 20 seconds, some students go blank, and then they don't know what to start and what to say and how to continue from there. So if you make good notes, and if you speak according to your cues, according to your outline, discuss first outline, discuss second outline, discuss third outline, fourth outline, then you will never go blank, and discuss each outline in at least like 20 seconds, 25 seconds. So you can complete your cue card within 1.5 minutes, and then examiner will say, okay, thank you. Let's move on to speaking part 3. Now, as far as speaking part 3 is concerned, remember in speaking part 3, they will ask you questions from cue card. So whatever the topic of the cue card is in part 3, they will ask you follow-up questions, right? If you get the cue card of your choice or a cue card which you already worked, you've already worked on, if you get that cue card, then life is going to be easy, or because in part 3 they will ask you some more questions related to that cue card. So answer every question, and remember this 3-step formula will help you. Answer the question directly. In IELTS, there is no room for indirect answer, irrelevant answer, that first you say, I will make the base of my answer and then I'll speak that. Not at all. You need to give direct answer. Step 1, answer the question directly. Hit the question. Step 2, elaborate your answer in 4-5 sentences. I'm talking about part 1 questions and part 3 questions. And step 3, conclude your answer. Therefore, I love to wear red t-shirts. For all these reasons, red has been my favorite color. That is why I like red color. Something like that. So you need to conclude your answer. If you follow this, examiner will be very happy, and this will help you to get very good bench score in IELTS speaking. After watching this video, whenever you appear in your IELTS exam and you get your desired band in other modules as well as speaking, don't forget to send me your result and just tell me that this video helped me. Okay, all the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we provide IELTS test booking service all over Pakistan. If you want to get any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.